Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
With the leaves starting to fall and cooler weather coming in, we are needing a lot more firewood for all these bonfires we're having to stay warm. We broke out the trusty old wood splitter and got to work. Cooler weather also means a fireplace. We don't know if we're going to end up keeping this one that we purchased at Rural King. However, whether it goes in the house or the storage building, we needed to break it in. This consists of burning 3 fires in it at certain temperatures to bake on the paint. Also, Josh's 4-wheeler has been giving him tons of trouble, so this week consisted of lots of rescue missions. Ended the night with some friends who helped us get that super heavy sawmill out of the house, and of course, a bonfire.
So we went to Lowe's this morning and picked up a bunch of materials to kind of finish things up in the bedroom and some of our door frames. While Cody's been out here and I didn't get it filmed, he has finished the ceiling joist. He's adding the last clips on a couple of them, but he's finished the ceiling joist in the bathroom as well as our closet and then this little nook area. And then we bought all the wood to do our ceiling joist in our bedroom. As far as the living room,
so for the bathroom, the closet, and that little desk area over there, in the bedroom, we can use 2x4s. They're strong enough for the span that we have right here, but since the living room has a lot bigger span, it's about 16 foot, we're gonna have to use 2x6s in there. So a little bit bigger wood.
yes. So that's basically what we're working on today.
Swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. See, I must have been wrong. Your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you.
Hi, guess what? You can hear me and we have power.
Running on solar.
Yes. He kind of got a small solar setup going outside. That's kind of keeping us going. Obviously, bigger things and for longer periods of time, we need the generator. But this will allow us to make videos and you be able to hear us a little bit better. So we are doing 2 doors for our closet. This is our closet. The side of our closet will be this little nook desk area. We have to have our breaker panel on an outside wall, and there was really no other place for it to go. So we made this kind of like a little nook area, desk area. I work from home a lot, so that'll help. And then this is our closet. So it's going to be a 2-panel closet, and he's putting in the track right now. And these are the doors that we got at Lowe's on clearance for $10.
We don't have enough power for that.
Oh, I can hear
It was cloudy today. We didn't get a whole lot of sun. I used it all last night.
So how did you get power again?
So I don't want to run the big generator just for this, and the solar didn't get a whole lot of sun today. So
And the generator needs.
yeah, and the little generator needs a fuel line, so I'm charging the house with my truck.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, and you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like this.
Okay, so you got a ton done today.
Yeah, I mean, not too bad of a day. I mean, it's still early, but it's dark, and I'm out of a lot of things. I need screws and wood and parts and stuff, so we're kind of done.
He got all the rafters. No, I keep calling them rafters. They're ceiling joists, right? So he got all the He got all the ceiling joists in our bedroom done, and in our closet, and in the bathroom. He also got the door and the track put on our closet, so. But yeah, we pretty much just tidied up and
Yeah, Summer got a lot of cleaning done today.
And got a lot of like little loose end projects done. We are actually getting a dump truck, hopefully, fingers crossed.
Couple dump trucks.
Yes, clay, because then we'll be able to start building our pond. Not our pond.
We'll be able to finish up the septic lagoon. So
Yeah.
I got it probably 1/8 of the way done. So still got a lot of work left to do, but as soon as we get that delivered, we'll be able to knock it out pretty quick. So
So that'll be hopefully
we end up running a
tomorrow.
bobcat for a day and having some fun.
Hopefully that will be tomorrow. Other than that,